My name is Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove a door. If you need to take a door down, whether you're replacing it or if you need to work on it for some reason, the first thing you need to know, if it's an interior door, is you can actually leave the door shut. That is probably the best way to do it, because basically what you want to do is you want the hinge to be closed like this, and you'll be able to see the hinge pin side from the inside of the room. And so what you'll do is, with the door shut, you'll go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver, and you'll want to push it in the bottom side of the pin, and you'll want to hammer it until you knock that pin up. Then you can pull the pin out. You'll want to do that for all the hinges on that door. And then once you get all the pins taken out, the door shouldn't move because it's shut and it's encased in the door opening. So then once all the pins are out, you'll just grab the doorknob handle and kind of wiggle the door open, and then you'll grab it and take it out of the hinge socket. That's how you remove a door. While you have the pin out of the hinge, you might as well grease it. So you could put some lithium grease on the pin before you put it back in. And you can install the door the same way. Put it back in the door opening, lining up the hinge plates here. They'll fit in like teeth, kind of like this. And then you'll just slide that newly greased hinge back in place on each of the door hinges. And then that's how you take down a door and install a new one.